We found that a lot of people have difficulties understanding the difference between an OKR and a KPI. The common misconception is that OKRs are a framework that is nowadays replacing KPIs. Simply put, they serve different purposes and cannot replace each other. KPIs are defined as performance metrics that evaluate the success of an organization or of a particular activity. KPIs can apply to projects, programs, products, and a variety of other initiatives. They can measure the success of anything from sales goals to social media metrics. Today, KPIs have been adopted by countless organizations and used to evaluate and forecast success. However, a KPI is only as valuable as the action it inspires. Objectives and key results, OKRs, are defined as a methodology that outlines company and team objectives along with measurable key results that define achievement of each objective. OKRs represent aggressive goals and define the measurable steps you take towards achieving those goals. One of the key differences between OKRs and KPIs is the intention behind the goal setting. KPI goals are typically obtainable and represent the output of a process or project already in place, while OKR goals are somewhat more aggressive and ambitious. OKRs actually replace the several methods of managing your KPIs. KPIs and other trends indicate how well your business is doing or parts of your business are doing. Another way to look at this is to think of OKRs as the process of taking the value of a KPI from value A to value B. Just by this definition, it is clear that OKRs operate on KPIs and are not replacing them, but rather helping enhance them. There really are many approaches that have been around for years. While each of them have their own merits, if you have a larger vision or are looking to change your overall direction, OKRs might be a better alternative. They have greater depth that will allow you to stretch your goals even further and allow you to be a bit more creative on how you plan to reach those goals.